Hi, everybody. Welcome to our model drawing instructions for Mass and Screens 1. So now all of you have just made an observation using this mass with a hole in it, a screen that caught an image, and our flashlight. And we're now going to draw some models of what we saw. The models are crucial to set up the way you're going to see them here, not close to this, pretty much exactly like this. So I want to point out some things that we want to make sure we're doing when we draw our models. First of all, you're going to need lined notebook paper. And the reason is we want to be able to see this dark red line right here. We also want to be able to see the lighter red line that's on the far side. So now this is the very first observation we made where the light was right across from the mass. I want you to notice a couple things. I've drawn my screen right over here, and I've drawn the left-hand side of the screen right along the red line. Okay, so it's on the very far right-hand side of the paper. Notice also I've done the light right over here, right next to the red line of the paper. You could even have it touching the red line of the paper would be fine. And then notice the way I've drawn the mask. I'm drawing it in profile. I'm not trying to do it three-dimensionally, and I'm leaving that gap to stand for the hole in the mask. Notice that that gap is exactly one line wide on the notebook paper. Notice I've come straight down from the top, and it's right between these two in the middle of them. So I've come straight down from the top, 4 lines, left a line open, and then drawn another 4 lines. This is what you need to set up before you start drawing the light. And it needs to be set up just like that, not kind of like that. Your mask should be drawn with your ruler. Okay, for the second one, notice there's a lot of similarities with one difference. For the second one, I've skipped 2 notebook lines, and then I've done my screen the exact same way. I've made it 4 lines down with a 1 line gap and another 4 line down. I drew over here the screen exactly on the red line right below the other one. But now notice on the first one, our light is straight across from our opening in our screen, okay, or our mass, okay? In the second one here, the light is drawn 2 lines above it, at least the light bulb part of it. Again, that's crucial to get exactly those 2 lines. And this is before you even start drawing the light. We need to have everybody in classes set up for their models identical. And then the final one that fits at the bottom of the paper, again, we skip 2 lines. I made a straight line 4 lines down. I left a gap for the hole in the mask, another straight line 4 lines down. I've got another screen over here drawn. And then this one, the light, we come straight over and we just go 2 lines down. And these 3 models will give us our models of what we saw in our demonstration. This one would be straight across from the hole in the screen, in the mass rather. This one would be held up above that, and this one is down below. And the light that you draw should show on your model what you just saw. Models are going to be extremely important in our work on light, and your next test, you're asked to draw a number of them, and they need to be accurate. So that's it for the setup on your models. Thank you for watching.